and start having more fun in your life. Start getting out, making more memories with your family, and doing things that matter. And
grow your cleaning business, make more money, have more time. This is the Profit Cleaners Podcast with your hosts, Brandon Condry and Brandon Shane.
Good morning, my Profit Cleaners, my cleaning crew. Just want to make this quick video, guys. I'm out here in the woods of Colorado with my family, up here making awesome memories, doing some really fun stuff. And the only reason I can do that is because, well, we've delegated, we've outsourced, we're growing our company systematically. In fact, whoa, here comes my boys in the background, having some fun. And again, guys, the only way we can do that is because normally I'd be having to be over at my cleaning business right now, growing it. But because I'm not, I'm able to be out with my boys up in the mountains having fun. And again, guys, it's all about creating and designing your business to basically grow without you doing everything. And I know it's actually been one of my struggles for a long time, is trying to do everything in my business, trying to wear all the hats. And I know a lot of you probably still do that, but guys, I just want to encourage you, the sooner that you actually let go of those things in your business, and the sooner that you start delegating and outsourcing, especially the marketing, we're going to be sharing with you guys how to do that and how we've done that. In fact, with our cleaning business, we started it in 2017, scaled it to a 7-figure business in just 3 years. And we did that primarily by automating the work and by having other people help us that were already experts at that specific subject, whether it was Facebook ads, Google ads, or whatever, right? So there's a lot of ways you can market and grow your cleaning business. But again, guys, if you're still wearing all the hats, if you're still trying to do everything, stop doing that and start having more fun in your life. Start getting out, making more memories with your family, and doing things that matter. And even in the middle of the week, sometimes I'll have vacations like this with my family, and it's just so much fun, guys. So I want to encourage you guys to start growing a real business, right? Start actually replacing yourself, which sounds scary, but start designing your business so that you're up in the box looking down at the stadium watching your team play, instead of being on the field and the weeds and wearing all the hats. So we covered that. We have a weekly webinar that we do, guys, that talks about marketing your business, but we also talk about having the help and getting the help and finding the people that are the experts, or even the people on our team that you can work with to get that work done and to actually automate the work. So join us for that free masterclass this week, profitcleaners.com/masterclass. Also check out our resources, guys. We've got lots of cool stuff coming out, including new podcasts. I've got some courses coming out soon, so check that out. We're going to be talking a lot more about that, guys. But just wanted to inspire you guys, show you guys that even as the owner of your business, you shouldn't be constantly doing everything every day. You should actually be working your way out of the business, having more fun, and doing stuff like this. So take care, everybody. Cheers from the woods of Colorado. Have a great day, and here's to growing, automating, and scaling your business the right way.